The Samsung HW-Q800B is a 5.1.2 channel soundbar that supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, delivering a spacious and immersive sound for your movies and music. It comes with a wireless subwoofer that adds plenty of bass to the mix, and it has several features that enhance its performance, such as Space Fit Sound, Q Symphony, and AirPlay 2. It also has a built-in Alexa voice assistant that lets you control the soundbar and other smart devices with your voice. It is a premium 5.1.2 channel sound setup that delivers a truly immersive cinematic experience. It features a combination of powerful drivers, including upward-firing speakers for Dolby Atmos and DTS compatibility, as well as a wireless subwoofer for deep, rumbling bass. The soundbar also supports various audio formats, including high-resolution audio codecs like DTS, X Ultra, and Dolby Atmos height virtualization, ensuring that you're getting the best possible sound quality for your movies, TV shows, and music. The HW-Q800B delivers an impressive soundstage that will fill your living room with rich, detailed audio. The upward-firing speakers create the illusion of overhead sound from Dolby Atmos and DTS content, making you feel like you're surrounded by sound. The soundbar also features Samsung's Space Fit Sound technology, which automatically analyzes your room and adjusts the sound to optimize its performance. The included wireless subwoofer adds a powerful low-end punch to the soundstage, providing deep, rumbling bass that will shake your room. The subwoofer is also very well tuned, and it delivers precise and controlled bass without any boominess or distortion. While the Samsung HW-Q800B is primarily designed for movies and TV shows, it's also a great option for listening to music and gaming. The soundbar's powerful drivers and wide soundstage ensure that you'll experience your music with clarity and detail. And when it comes to gaming, the soundbar's built-in game mode provides a responsive and immersive audio experience for your favorite titles. The soundbar has a neutral and balanced sound profile, which makes it suitable for a variety of content. It has a 7-band graphic EQ and several sound modes that let you customize its sound according to your preference and the type of content you're listening to. The sound modes include Standard, Surround, Game Pro, Adaptive, and Music. The soundbar also has a Space Fit Sound feature, which uses the microphone of a compatible Samsung TV to measure the acoustics of your room and optimize the sound accordingly. The soundbar also has a Q Symphony feature, which lets you use the speakers of a compatible Samsung TV along with the soundbar, creating a more immersive and harmonious sound. The soundbar delivers a great performance for Dolby Atmos and DTS content, creating a spacious and immersive soundstage that fills the room. The up-firing drivers create a convincing height effect, while the side-firing drivers create a wide and enveloping sound. The subwoofer adds a lot of bass to the mix, making the sound more impactful and dynamic. The soundbar also does a good job of reproducing dialogue and vocals, thanks to its dedicated center channel and clear treble. The soundbar can get loud enough for most rooms, and it doesn't distort much at high volumes. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The soundbar has a lot of connectivity options, including HDMI ARC, HDMI in, optical in, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It supports 4K and HDR pass-through, so you can connect your 4K devices to the soundbar and enjoy high-quality video and audio. It also supports EARC, which allows you to play high-resolution audio formats such as Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio from your TV. The soundbar has a built-in Chromecast and AirPlay 2, which let you stream music from your mobile devices and other compatible apps. The soundbar has a sleek and minimalist design with a dark gray finish and a metal grille that covers the front and top. It has up-firing drivers on the top surface that reflect sound off the ceiling, creating a height effect for Atmos and DTS content. It also has side-firing drivers that widen the soundstage and create a more enveloping sound. The soundbar has a front-facing LED display that shows the input, volume, and sound mode, and it has a few buttons on the top for basic functions. The soundbar can be wall-mounted or placed on a table, and it comes with a bracket and screws for wall installation. The subwoofer is a large and heavy unit with a black finish and a ported design. It connects to the soundbar wirelessly, so you only need to plug it into a power outlet. It has a 10-inch driver that produces a deep and powerful bass, adding impact and rumble to your movies and music. The subwoofer can be placed anywhere in the room, but it's recommended to place it near the soundbar for the best sound quality. The main drawbacks of the soundbar are its lack of rear speakers and its overpowering bass. The soundbar doesn't come with rear speakers, which limits its surround sound performance. You can buy optional rear speakers separately, but they are quite expensive. The soundbar also has a very powerful subwoofer, which can sometimes overwhelm the other frequencies and make the sound too boomy. You can adjust the subwoofer level, but some users may still find it too loud. The Samsung HW-Q800B is an excellent soundbar that offers exceptional performance for the price. It delivers a truly immersive cinematic experience thanks to its powerful drivers, upward-firing speakers, and wireless subwoofer. The soundbar is also versatile, and it can be used for listening to music and gaming. If you're looking for a high-quality soundbar that will elevate your home entertainment experience, the Samsung HW-Q800B is an excellent choice. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.